So you're charged with violation of probation, you don't know what to do. That's a circumstance I found myself in with the client that I had on Friday. What's up? Coming to you from Dinosaur World outside of Lakeland, Florida. Today we're talking about legal matters, stuff that happened in the courtroom in a VOP arrest that took place on Friday. If you watched my last video on open pleas, put together some of these techniques or put into practice some of the techniques that we explored in that video. Let's look into that now. He was on probation for a DUI. I didn't represent him on the first DUI that caused him to be on probation, but I represented him on the VOP and his new DUI, which is still pending. Of course, we're talking hypothetically here. So this new DUI arrest is while he's on probation for his old DUI, and both of them are triple or quadruple the legal limit with blows. So really drunk, really high BACs. And probation wants him to do 180 days in jail just for the violation of probation, nothing at all to do with the new law or the new DUI arrest. We ain't gonna happen. So here's what we did. We knew the judge he was in front of, very reasonable judge. She's into treatment and not into punishment. She definitely is not afraid to put somebody in jail, but she is more in the favor of treatment. So what we did, we put together as much mitigating evidence as possible. I had him have an interlock installed in his car. It cost him $35 a month. I had him get letters of recommendation. I had him try to check himself in or get checked into a rehab center. All efforts to show that he's trying to do the right thing here and he needs treatment, not punishment. So the hearing time comes up, prosecutor's not budging off the 6 months, probation's not budging off the 6 months. I asked to approach the bench and do a sidebar with the judge. So we have myself, the prosecutor, the judge, and probation all up at the bench. We're talking under white noise, meaning the rest of the courtroom can't hear what's going on. And I'm presenting this information to the judge saying, here's what we got. And show her all the interlock, show her all the evidence. And she agrees to give him credit time served. No 6 months at all. Revoke and terminate probation. You had to pay a $125 fine. All because we took proactive steps early on. We knew the judge and we developed a strategy that would work for that judge. There's ways out in this. You get yourself in a mess, you gotta find a way out. You gotta find an attorney that can navigate those paths for you. Violation probations are really difficult when the state has you by the balls with a new law violation. It's tough to overcome, so sometimes you can't beat it. Sometimes you just gotta provide mitigating evidence. I'm so thankful for my subscribers, the people watching these videos. Just enjoying my time with you, enjoying interacting with you in the comments, and God bless you.